The Canon EOS Rebel T7 bundle kit is perfect for beginner to intermediate photographers, offering a comprehensive package that includes an 18-55mm lens and numerous accessories. This camera features a powerful 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, ensuring excellent image quality with vibrant colors and low noise. With its full high-definition video recording capabilities and a 3-inch LCD monitor, the Rebel T7 allows users to capture both stunning photos and videos effortlessly. The included 18-55mm lens provides a versatile focal length range, making it suitable for various shooting scenarios from landscapes to portraits. Additional accessories such as two 64GB memory cards, telephoto and wide-angle lenses, and a padded camera case enhance the overall shooting experience. The auxiliary wide-angle and telephoto lenses expand creative possibilities, allowing photographers to capture both expansive landscapes and distant subjects with ease.